Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Puppr mobile app works. Puppr is a dog training app that offers step-by-step video lessons for teaching your dog tricks and obedience skills, whether you're starting with the basics or working on advanced commands. The app's mobile version is designed for pet owners who want to train their dogs at home at their own pace. When you open the app, you'll find training packs led by Sarah Carson, a renowned dog trainer. These include a range of tricks like sit, stay, roll over, and even skateboard. Each lesson includes detailed videos, tips, and a built-in clicker to assist in timing your commands. You can track your dog's progress as you complete lessons. There's also a shop tab with training gear and dog essentials. Puppr Pro unlocks premium lessons and chat access with professional trainers who provide personalized help and advice. The free version includes basic lessons, but to unlock everything, a subscription is required. Pros include a user-friendly layout, high-quality video tutorials, and a fun way to train your dog without needing an in-person trainer. It's also great for keeping track of progress. A con is that some users may find the advanced lessons or trainer access locked behind the paywall, which could limit full use without subscribing. Recent user reviews highlight the value of the video guidance, with many appreciating the helpful trainer support. A few mention occasional bugs or limited free content, but overall feedback is positive for those committed to dog training. If you're looking for a structured and convenient way to teach your dog new tricks or improve behavior, Puppr is definitely worth checking out. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.